रहीम इय्याका नअबुदु व इय्याका नस्तईन अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन व बारिक सल्लि अलैहि। डियर कुलीग्स, ये मेल बेबी है, 6 वीक का है और 15 डेज़ के बाद इसको वोमिटिंग शुरू हो गई थी आफ्टर एवरी फीड। सो वी आर गोइंग टू लोकेट द स्टमक। दिस इज़ द गॉल ब्लैडर। This is the gallbladder, liver, and here is the close to the gallbladder is the mass. You can see this is the stomach and this is the mass. Which has target appearance, inner echogenic mucosa, and outer one is the hypoechoic area. So this is the target appearing mass, and close to the gallbladder this mass is lying. So what is this? Here you can see that this is the mass giving target appearance. So dear colleagues, this is actually not mass. This is the thick pylorus, thickened pylorus. This is the anterior wall, this is the posterior wall. So the thick pylorus is in our view. Now I am going to see it in the longitudinal direction. Here we can see that this is the अब इसको मैं longitudinal में लेने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, oblique longitudinal. This here you can see that this is the anterior wall of the pylorus, this is the posterior wall of the pylorus, and this is the antrum. तो आप देख रहे हैं कि ये एंट्रम से फ्लूइड है which is not going through this narrow lumen. This is the narrow lumen between the thick pyloric muscle, and ये देखें यहाँ पे ये फंसा हुआ है, तो ये बिल्कुल जो है ना आगे ये मूव नहीं कर रहा. फ्लूइड इज नॉट मूविंग. There is no free passage of fluid through this pyloric canal, which is like a string. And if we measure the muscles, this is almost 5 millimeter, and the normal criteria is less than 3 millimeter. So this is the classical case of hypertrophic pyloric stenosis. If we see in a longitudinal direction, this makes the cervix sign, pseudo cervix sign, cervix of the female. So this is the cervix sign. And this, if we go to see the transverse section, this make the target sign. So this was the typical case of pyloric stenosis. I waited for the 10 minutes. Why I waited for the 10 minutes? ये क्वेश्चन लीजेंड के सामने रखेंगे कि what was the reason कि मैंने 10 मिनट इंतज़ार किया. After 10 minutes, there was no change in the pathology, and this was the anterior posterior wall were thickened. And if we measure the pyloric canal, this is almost, you can see here, this is almost 20 millimeter. This is almost 20 millimeter, while the normal is less than 16 or 17 millimeter. And if we go into the transverse measurement, the measurement is more than 15 millimeter, which is less than 11 millimeter in a normal pylorus. So this was the typical case of hypertrophic pyloric stenosis. आप देखें ना कैसे ये सर्विक्स साइन बना हुआ है, इंटरनल, ये एक्सटर्नल ऑस कह लें, इसको इंटरनल ऑस कह लें, और ये देख लें सर्वाइकल कैनाल की तरह है, बिल्कुल टिपिकल ये सर्विक्स साइन बना हुआ है। और ये स्टमक कंटेंट्स हैं विच आर नॉट फ्रीली मूविंग थ्रू दिस, और यहाँ पे ये ठहर गए हैं। This was the typical case of hypertrophic pyloric stenosis, and ultrasound is the best modality for the diagnosis of such cases, as we can see it in the real time, and also it is non-ionizing, और ये नुकसान भी नहीं पहुंचाते, and it is almost 100% has the sensitivity for diagnosis of this pathology. Thank you very much.